So today I'll be showing you how to turn off the keyboard backlight on your HP laptop. Okay, now you might want to turn it off for one reason or another, maybe to save battery or for whatever other reason. You can see currently mine is on. You can see the lights right below there. So to turn it off, it's the same button you use to turn it on, and that's this button right here. Okay, so look for this icon. Mine is on F3 for this EliteBook HP. It might be on another key, but this is the button you're looking for. That's the backlight button. And it's the same button to turn it on and to turn it off. Now, sometimes it might be a direct press button, or it might be a function button, which means you have to press and hold the function key and then press that button. So for this one, it's function and then press that button. Now, if I do it once, that's going to dim the lights. And then if I do it again, that's going to turn off the backlight. Okay. And if I do it a third time, that's going to turn it back on. So it's the same button to turn it on and off. So mine is on, dim, off, on, dim, off. So that's basically how to turn off the keyboard backlight on your HP laptop. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.